Yo, what's up? This is me, your friend Mana again. So, I don't know, I just had this idea about making this video. So, again, like most of my videos, I'm just going to come and say anything that comes into my mind. So, 6 month. Yeah, exactly. 6 month and 2-3 days for this year to officially end. So, I don't know, I was watching one video again. Yeah, most of my videos are regarding the things I consume. So 6 months until this year is officially ending and all that stuff. So I was listening to this. It was a video, but I was kind of listening it because I was doing something. So it said, "Ki 1 year is a lot, but 6 months it feels doable," and it's true because when the like जब न्यू ईयर आता है वी ऑल आर इनटू दैट स्पिरिट ओके दिस इज माय ईयर आई एम गोना डू इट ओके दिस इज गोइंग टू बी माय ईयर आई एम गोइंग टू गेट दैट बॉडी दैट grades or whatever your resolutions are we all feel that okay I'm gonna do it all this year but January okay most of us we are there Feb okay March के starting से we all kind of start fucking up it's like okay I don't want to do it anymore अब नहीं हो रहा है just let it go and then April maybe you are like okay back to the loop in which you were कि यार छोड़ो यार कुछ नहीं होता but then there's me then there's June and you again start feeling okay 6 months I can still do it and that's me like most of us मैं कोई और अलग नहीं हूँ I am also like other people even I want to change my life even I want to do things that I'm proud of and I do not want to year my end with the feeling oh shit I could have done that oh shit मैंने करना चाहिए था so I have decided like 6 months is all I am going to give myself to prove that okay maybe I can do it and I've come to realization the video which I watched yesterday it is true for me if अगर मुझे कोई बोला like you have to do this thing for this amount of time it will scare me the fuck I'm telling you मुझे ऐसे लगेगा oh I have to do that for so long तो and I have the tendency of being like I'm not able to stay consistent to the things so it's again scares me कि okay I don't know if I'm gonna see the end of this or will I be able to do it and 1 month okay good it went all nice but then Feb March so I wasted and then in May I did that habit tracking wala thing I kept it little simple for the May month but again I wasn't doing most of the things like you can see here I don't know if you can but most of the thing over here it is all crossed the only thing I'm grateful for is that at least I'm crossing ticking it off because I also got this one app which tracks your scrolling and there were some days I had 0 and there were some days I just scrolled once and there were some days I scrolled for like fucking 2749 times you see that and there are more and it's just like oh my god what I'm doing I have the realization that I'm spending too much on my phone but you can't help it it's like I'm trying to beat my addiction but at the same time I'm not able to but I have to take it slow I can't just be going like this okay I've decided and boom it's changed no it cannot because I have been following this pattern on a repetitive basis and it will take time I have to understand that no matter how again I think my phone ka storage is but again I'll keep it short so 6 months I'm not going to micro track every single thing I'm going to do because I've realized one thing that planning doesn't work for me not at all it does not work for me because it makes me anxious that okay I have to do this I have to do this and I have to take oh my god mera completely 10 दिन तक I have not taken it is all cross and I don't like that and then all of a sudden I'm like छोड़ो यार I don't want to do it but okay so 6 months I'm just gonna focus on my health recently I was sick and I had to do some tests and one of the tests was kind of scary. Not for me because I am a nursing student and all this stuff doesn't really scare me. if you give me the big test like you have to do this and that, it does not scare me, but it does scare my parents, my family, because they are not that strong headed. But yeah, it made me realize that health is something that we should not be taking for granted, because one day you are fine and next day you are not. So you should always take care of yourself. I used to go to gym and I had the best time, but there was this one time I stopped going to the gym, because when I first started it was during my lockdown period, and then again I started my college and it kind of get hectic for me to go to the gym because I was all tired and all that. So on and off I used to go for a month, 2 month, 3 month, and then I'll take a gap of 4 to 5 months. At this point my trainers are also quite familiar to my patterns, but I'm not very happy about that. But I realized it when I was doing the gym, I felt very nice. I felt stronger, not in terms like, oh, I'm ready to go and compete people out. No, not in that terms. But what I'm saying is, I felt stronger because I was able to help carry groceries. I was able to help my mother. I was able to lift things which were not possible before, and my body was feeling nice because I was eating. I was not eating well because I've struggled eating since childhood. It's a very big task for me to eat, but still I was there. I was gaining weight, not very drastically, but yeah, 1 kg, 2 kgs I was gaining, and I was happy while going to the gym. And now I do want to do, but I'm little kind of scared to go back because it's been 4 months. Like, I've joined it in Jan-Feb, then in Feb-March, I don't know, I just stopped, and then in between I got sick, and then I had my exams, and because of that I was not able to go. But now I really do want to go, but I'm just scared of the judgment that my trainers are gonna pass, because they'll be like, oh, you are not even serious. And I do want to take it seriously because gym makes me happy. You can see my body and you might say, kya bol rahi hai? There's no muscle. But struggle with the weight gaining, but I really enjoy my time there and enjoy my time over there, and I do wish to join it again and be consistent. So there are very few things which I'm going to work. I'm not going to like come and tell you guys, okay, this is the progress I made, because you know it creates a lot of pressure to me on me, and I'm not a person who works under pressure. Like, if the things are going my way, I'm slaying it. But if I have to show it to someone, okay, I'm doing this, okay, there's one person I'm accountable to go and tell my result and all, it creates a lot of pressure on me, and I'll suck it all. So I will come and tell you guys whenever I feel like, okay, it might be in a week, in a 10-day or a monthly report, I don't know, I'm going to update you like what I'm doing. But most of all, I'm not assuring or I'm not telling you that I'm going to come and tell you on weekly basis that, okay, this week I did that, and this week I did this and all that. I'm not sure. I may do it, but it's not that fixed time, okay, weekly basis, 10-day basis. I'm not gonna do that, because yeah, I'm going to make this thing for myself, and I'm going to do the way I am comfortable and I'm able to do it. So yeah, so there are many limited beliefs, so I'm gonna work on that too. Negative conversations that I have for myself, I do want to change that. I do wish to change that. So this 6 months, without any big fuss, it is going to just gonna be my 6 month, like where I'm working on myself, investing in myself, like learning anything as basic as that, just picking up the paper and painting it, and I'm just gonna call it, okay, this is my new art, whatever. The major things that I'm gonna work is on my health and my academics. I did not like I was saying ki studies. So studies in what terms? I was saying कि last sem का मेरा result आया and I did better. I'm not gonna tell you my grades because it sucks, but still better than before, and it kind of motivated me to do better. And yeah, my degree is not a degree which should be taken lightly, since I'll be dealing with the people. So yeah, I'm gonna focus on studying a lot in the sense I'm gonna start small, because haha, So study, health, and my mental well-being is all I'm gonna care about this 6 month. And I do hope certain things happen, which I'm not gonna tell you what I wish, because some things are meant to be kept private. So yeah. So about the updates, I'll be updating you on weekly basis or on 10 days or whenever I feel like okay. And I'm not gonna track down all the things the way I used to do before. Like, this is not the way I'm gonna do it again, because I certainly feel that this is not something that is going to work for me, and it is not working for me, honestly. So yeah, I'm gonna find my way how I'm going to track the progress, or what helps me be consistent with what I am doing. So yeah, honestly I'm not sure लास्ट क्या बोला, क्योंकि आई वॉज क्लियरिंग माई स्टोरेज टू रिकॉर्ड दिस अगेन. सो या, सो 6 months all I'm gonna do is to lock the fuck in, and I'm gonna, it's not about proving, but at the same time it is like your progress, it doesn't define you honestly, but there are कैसे बोलो यार, आई एम नॉट एबल टू, ऐसे वो प्रॉपर ऐसे बोलने नहीं हो रहा है, बट कभी कभी ऐसे खुद को भी लगता है ना कि यार ब्रो तू क्या थी और तू अब क्या बन चुकी है, दैट वे. एंड ऑनेस्टली आई वॉज अ वेरी स्मार्ट, नॉट वेरी स्मार्ट किड, बट आई वॉज वेरी लाइक nice student, and I miss that, and I do want to prove myself that okay, just because you had few bad years doesn't mean कि you cannot be that good again. So yeah, it might kind of sound like I'm proving myself, but I do not want to prove anyone. At this point I don't even sound sensible, but it is just giving a chance to myself to put in a nice way that yeah, you can do it. And I don't know, maybe it will take 6 months, maybe it will take a year, but as long as I'm starting and still somewhere there near my goal. So this year is gonna be about health, the remaining one, of course, 6 months, health, because I'm fucking gonna take it seriously, because you never know, aaj kal ho na ho. And I've been also struggling with my periods, like something is messed up. So like my sister said, you just need to make a lifestyle changes, and I'm not dumb, because bro, I'm literally a nursing student and I know what things to be done and what not. So I'm gonna experiment on that also. I'm going to see if I am making lifestyle changes, if I'm sleeping early, waking up early, and then eating healthy food, doing exercise and all that. If that works, fine. And if it doesn't, I'm gonna go consult a doctor, because I think then there's a need for me to go to a doctor. But okay, हाँ, मैं एक चीज़ पे रह नहीं सकती, I have that habit of talking. And then फिर next is of course my academics, because oh, that's gonna help me earn money. And yeah, I mean, I am very privileged that I'm able to study, because there are so many people out there who want to study but they are not able to because of the financial situation. And if I have that privilege, and I should not be taking that for granted. Oh my god. And then yeah, like I said, it is just gonna me working on myself. I'm not good at particular anything, but I'm just gonna try things. I want to learn how to paint, and by painting I don't mean ki extraordinary things. No, I'm just gonna take a canvas and paint anything. Or I could just like बोलते हैं ना, बस एक कैनवास लेके उस पर पूरा येलो पेंट लगा दूंगी. एनीथिंग लिटरली एनीथिंग. आई यूज टू डांस अ लॉट, बट जैसे जैसे बड़े होते हैं तुम लोग डांस करना छोड़ देते हो, लाइक यू जस्ट. So maybe I'll get back on that too. I don't know. I just don't know what the plan is. I'm not sure about that. I have क्या बोल, wait, let me articulate my thoughts. So मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ दोस्तों कि मुझे पता नहीं मुझे क्या करना है ये 6 महीनों में, बस मुझे इतना पता है कि मुझे कुछ करना है. If that makes sense to you guys, and if it doesn't, I'll try to make it more easy for you to understand. What I am saying is, this 6 months, it is just about me discovering myself. It might be me liking some things, or me coming into that realization, oh, I don't like this anymore. So yeah, it is just doing an experiment with yourself and just going with the flow. And with the flow, I don't mean to just go and किधर जाके डूब जाना. No, it would be going with the flow consciously and intentionally. So yeah, I am not planning anything because मेरी पूरी energy planning में चली जाती है. Then afterwards, I don't wish to do anything. So yeah, and like I said before that I'm not gonna that I'm not going to make this detail kind of thing because this is draining. It might work for some people. Just go whatever works for you, but I have come to realization maybe this is not the thing I would want to do. I really like the fact of coming and documenting and putting everything first, but then after few days it just kind of felt hectic. It felt like a lot of work, and it also created a pressure कि भाई मुझे वो डायरी में जाके टिक करना है, और फिर it creates guilt also. So this is not a thing that worked out for me, so not for me. I'm gonna find some other way of tracking, but at the same time मुझे ऐसी चीज़ें करना भी अच्छा लगता है. But again, like I said, I'm going to find something for myself. Yeah, and as long as I'm doing the things I need to do, it's all well, I think. So if you think okay ये भी साल चला गया, no my dear, no bestie, no. You got 6 months, 6 months, you get it. 6 महीना 6 months, and you can do it. You definitely can. No matter what your goal is, to gain the weight, to lose the weight, to study, to earn, to get a job, do whatever you want. Whatever the goal you have, just do it. I mean 6 महीने में नहीं हो रहा है तो क्या हुआ, 7 महीने लग रहे तो क्या हुआ, 4 महीने लग रहे तो क्या, just do. As long as you are doing, it's fine. Like I said before in one of my video, as long as you are breathing, you have a chance. You can change your reality, and yeah, you can. I don't know what I said in this video, but baby 6 months it is, and in 6 months we gonna be a new me. Oh my god, 6 महीने बाद आप देखोगे न्यू मना को. अभी मैं ये सब ऐसे लहसुन चूड़ा जो भी बोल रही हूँ इधर आके, तो ऑफकोर्स 6 महीने बाद अगर मैंने कुछ किया नहीं तो लाइक तो दोगली थी रे, तो क्या दोगली थी. बट अगेन this is gonna be a thing that is going to keep me accountable. Like I said कि मुझे ऐसे अच्छा नहीं लगता कि मुझे किसी को तो प्रूव करना है, but the thing is ये सबूत है मेरे पास कि देख अंधी औरत, देख तूने ये सब इतनी बड़ी बड़ी बातें की थी, एटलीस्ट कुछ चीज़ें तो कर. आई एम नॉट गारंटिंग, या फिर मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रही कि सब 6 महीने बाद मेरे ऐसे डोले शोले बनेंगे कि भाई अगली रेसलिंग मैच तो मैं ही करूँगी, फिर बाद में ऐसा पढ़ूंगी कि भाई मैं तो पूरे देश में टॉप करूँगी. नहीं, इट इज़ जस्ट अबाउट मी. इट इज़ मी वर्सेस मी, यू. इट इज़ जस्ट मी वर्सेस मी, यू गाइज. मी वर्सेस मी. मुझे अगर किसी को देखना है तो मुझे पीछे होके देखना है. ओह ये तो वैसी नहीं थी, तुम बदली हो. इट्स न्यू यू, इट्स न्यू मी. सब न्यू मी, कपड़े. सॉरी, I'm just getting too comfortable. So what I mean is अगले साल आप सेम नहीं रहोगे, समझे. देखो मैं तो ये भी बिलीव करती हूँ अगर हम दिसंबर में भी चालू कर रहे हो तो अगेन इट्स फन. इट्स फाइन. जब भी तुम स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तुम्हारा न्यू ईयर तब से ब्रो. इट डजंट हैव टू फॉलो द कैलेंडर. इट डज नॉट. इट्स योर लाइफ, इट्स योर टाइमलाइन. यू तुम कल भी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर मनाओ और फिर बोलो ओके रेजोल्यूशन है ये मेरे. व्हाटएवर वर्क्स फॉर यू. अभी बंद करते वक्त मैं क्या बोलूँ, लाइक हाउ डू आई से बाय टू यू. ओके 6 months के बाद देखते हम कितने बदले हैं. ये डोले शोले बड़े की नहीं, ये हम देख. लाइक मेरी फ्रेंड उस दिन मुझे बोली, लाइक मेरी स्कूल की फ्रेंड है, तो हम वॉक पे गए थे एंड शी वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड तेरे तो बाइसेप्स दिख रहे हैं. मैं बोले हैं मैंने तो जिम छोड़े 4-5 महीने हो गए, तुझे मेरे कौन से बाइसेप्स दिख रहे. बट अगर आप फील करोगे तो थोड़े थोड़े दिख भी जाएंगे. बट अगेन देखो मैं ऐसे पॉइंट से हिल जाती हूँ पूरी तरह के तरीके से. जो भी है करो यार, तुम्हारी लाइफ है, तुम्हें अच्छी जिंदगी नहीं जीनी क्या? तुम्हें अच्छा दिखना नहीं है क्या? अच्छी बॉडी नहीं चाहिए कि? अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं चाहिए कि? अच्छी जॉब नहीं चाहिए? चाहिए ना, तो कोई और आके थोड़ी करेगा तुम्हारे लिए, तुम्हें ही करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज इट्स योर फकिंग लाइफ. सो या, तो खुद का काम खुद करो ना यार, कोई और कैसे करेगा? सॉरी. सो या, यू गॉट दिस गर्ल बॉय, जो भी हो तुम्हें मिला तो you can do it. That's my point. और next video के लिए I have this idea, like I read 2-3 books and I do want to talk about that. So yeah, वो next video में बात करेंगे ना, अभी ये already काफ़ी लंबा चौड़ा हो गया है. तो yeah, so I hope guys you don't give up, you have faith in yourself and you can do it. 6 महीने, 3 महीने, 2 महीने, 1 हफ्ता, जब भी करना है करो, but just do it. And that's it for today's video, and I hope you have the most slayest day. आपका दिन बहुत अच्छा जाए, and be grateful for the life you have. Be grateful for what you have, and if you feel you don't have anything to be grateful for, just be grateful that you're breathing. That's it. Bye. बंद हो.